Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever given up on your dreams because someone told you that you were not good enough? Maybe you dream of going to Western countries or speaking English confidently in your college or office, but then someone said your accent is terrible or your English is not good enough, and you started to believe it. If you have ever felt like this, keep watching because this video is for you. Why people hold you back? In your life, people might hold you back from trying new things because they have failed miserably in their own lives and now harbor deep resentment over what they couldn't achieve, which is why they don't want to see others succeed. Now, I would like to talk about chase your dreams regardless of the challenges. If your dream is to live abroad or maybe speak English confidently in front of others, maybe in the office or maybe in the class, don't let others stop you. Be aware of risk, like losing your wallet or other dangers. But remember, these things can happen anywhere. So start chasing your dream of speaking English confidently with unwavering determination. Don't let fear stop you. One major problem is that we often tell ourselves we are not good enough. Maybe you think your English is not strong enough to use it in front of your boss or colleague, but sometimes that fear has nothing to do with your actual language skills. I have seen advanced English speakers give up because of negative feedback. Maybe you are really good at English, but you are unaware of your true strength. I get comments every day telling me my accent is bad, but that doesn't stop me from doing what I love, and I want to pass that energy to you. Focus on the positive. Often it's not the people around you that hold you back, but the doubts within yourself. If you are focused on the fear of being judged for your English, you will see judgment everywhere, even if it's not the real. Instead, focus on the positive. If I choose to focus on the good things in life, I see opportunities and beauty. But if I focus on the negatives, I find things that make me unhappy. It's all about where you put your attention. Change your mindset. Choose your thoughts like you choose your clothes. If you catch yourself thinking, my English is bad, stop and reassess. Start saying, my English is great and it's enough to reach my goals. I'm improving every day. Focus on what you do right and your mindset will change. You will start to see success in your learning and you will enjoy the process more. Now, at the end, I would like to request you, please focus on the positive, embrace your progress, and don't let fear or negative feedback hold you back from your dream. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends who are learning English language. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.